our London Road Shop Street. And this is week before Christmas. That's a Preston Circus. As today is Saturday, some of the shops are gonna close early today and day after tomorrow. The shops are shining with the lights. People are ready for the Christmas these days. The Christmas shoppings. Look at this. Everybody. Oh, wow. Christmas shirts, sweaters, jumpers. It's really nice walking along the Brighton street to Brighton. These are the little shops, street shops. Superdrug, Smoke March, canals. And this is British Heart Foundation. And this is a gym group next to the British Heart Foundation. Having a gym in a student accommodation nearby areas is quite helpful. So nearby student accommodation, I love this car.
No.
I'm gonna get it by next year. A Range Rover Land Rover Optin. This. Look at the price of the pomegranate. Like £2.49. It usually costs £1.15 in every supermarket. Now we are entering in the open market. The open market is a place where we keep the business. The small businesses come here to sell their products. The small shops. Go upstairs. I'll walk on the other side. Walk out from the other side. Somewhere. That looks good. I love aerial view of every city, every mountain. How colorful. This looks amazing from top. Yes. They also they got a small shops on top. I've been here many times. This look amazing. It's not as busy. Come on up, more upstairs. We got like traditional honey shop where they collect honey from the ground, like actual honey keepers, beekeepers. I'm heading to the levels. This is the exit. This is a small market. Graffiti on the walls. And these are the red colors and a little bit of white, yellow. And the sky blue color buses. You find in Brighton only. These are some of them are hybrid. Some of them are fully electric. And I'm gonna run. This is famous part of the city. And here is the level where skating. Where do the skating? By the river Thames, there is a skating park. Skating yard by the Thames River in London. Here we got the in level. The levels. Kids, youngsters, and males, humans, grown-up males, grown-up adults. Bat and ball. This is a pub. Look at this. Another pub. If you walk along this footpath, you will see more pubs and small shops. I love this walk along trees. You're surrounded with the trees and you can walk in the lane. Road by the park. In the summer, the trees are full with green leaves, green lush leaves. And if you walk, it feels like really amazing. Look at the house. And this area is the levels, and after you crossing the levels, you'll directly see in front of the levels is the St. Peter's Church. You can see the Brighton Met College. Brighton Metropolitan College. I like my shoes, they're really comfy. It's Rolls Royce. You'll find many pubs here. Look at the other pub. Oh, look at that small car. This St. Peter's Church area. This is the biggest church in the Brighton. You can see the oldie now. On that side, on the right side, there's London Road shops again, and this is small shops, vibrant street, fully busy with the bus stops. There are like 4-5 bus stops here. St. Peter's Church. Hall entrance on the side, main church entrance this way. The church has a massive history. Look at the shining street. Every shop has like full lights. So mini market. What a view. What a view this St. Peter's Church has a massive view. While they removed the scaffolding actually, it was since last 3 years. Look at the church front area. Amazing. It's astonishing. Here, it used to be like Christmas market used to be here. From 2024, they changed that. The council didn't say anything about the Christmas market. They cancelled it. For the church, what a glamorous view here. Fantastic. And here we got St. Peter's house. library. And school students, the college students, university students, they can access the free Wi-Fi with EduRoam. And if you roam around the city, you'll find some of the BT's street advertising displays. Sometimes you can do skateboarding here. And this is a North View house. And this is Valley Gardens. That was St. Peter's Church Gardens. Before that, that was Level Park. And after this, there will be like Victoria Garden. One after another. Gardens, gardens, gardens. Look at the houses. The same vibe. So I'm gonna keep this video short, so I'll just finishing with this video. Later I'll make another video.